Unfair worker contracts could be a thing of the past because of upcoming changes to employment law. Dunedin's Michael Woodhouse is putting forward measures to tackle things like controversial zero-hour contracts. He says arrangements where employees are expected to be available for work with no guaranteed hours are unfair, and they'll soon be against the law.
It won't mean necessarily that there has to be a minimum number of hours, and we're not dispensing with casual agreements. I think they still have an important role to play in New Zealand's employment landscape, but what we are looking for is fairness and flexibility on both sides.
Woodhouse says he's been looking into ongoing issues around contracts. While most bosses don't take advantage of employees, Woodhouse believes a small portion cause problems. He says there are three main issues his changes to employment law will tackle.
That was the principle of mutual obligation, the requirement to be on call without any compensation, and the prevention on being able to go and pick up other hours with other organisations. All three of those things are going to be fixed.
Dunedin North MP David Clarks told 39 Dunedin News the changes effectively go nowhere. He says zero-hour contracts are still in place under the proposed law tweaks. He feels the contracts need to be fully outlawed to protect workers from being taken advantage of. Woodhouse says communication solves most workplace issues, but measures are being put in place to deal with major problems.
We have beefed up the Labour Inspectorate. We have a very comprehensive mediation service, and employees who don't think they are being well treated will be able to go to MB's Labour Inspectorate or the mediation service and seek a remedy.
Clark and Woodhouse share concerns over local workers being taken advantage of with things like zero-hour contracts, but they're divided on whether the new changes are the solution. David DeLorean, 39 Dunedin News.